First review, Seda Hotel, after renovation. Today, we're checking out the newly renovated Seda Hotel in Davao City. After months of upgrades, Seda has reopened its doors with fresh rooms, updated amenities, and an even better guest experience. Let's dive in. The interiors use neutral earth tones, polished flooring, and wooden accents that give the space a warm and elegant feel. The guest rooms are now more modern, with upgraded layouts and furnishings, giving you a much more comfortable stay. The location remains unbeatable right across Abriza Mall, with easy access to shopping, dining, and business hubs. I praise the staff for their warm hospitality and the hotel's overall cleanliness. They added iron steamer in the room. Of course, not everything is perfect. Some early guests reported the smell of fresh paint and occasional construction noise during their stay. A few also mentioned that some areas, like hallways and breakfast service, still need improvement. So, while the hotel has greatly improved, there may still be minor hiccups depending on when you book. Overall, Seda Abriza Hotel's renovation has given Davao travelers a refreshed and modern option for both business and leisure stays. If you want comfort, convenience, and great service, Seda Abriza remains one of the top choices in the city. Just a quick tip, when booking, request a room away from any ongoing renovation areas to ensure the best experience. So, what do you think of Seda Abriza's new look? Would you stay here on your next trip to Davao? Let me know in the comments below. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more hotel reviews and travel updates. Thanks for watching.